What's up, guys? Welcome to Be Lit Reviews. Today we're going to get a swimming pool. With everything being upside down and stuck at home, the kids are getting, the walls are closing in, so I decided to go buy, we're moving to a new home, so we're in our rental, so I'm not getting a permanent pool. I'm getting just a few $100 smaller pool that's I can take down with me and, like, I don't know, maybe give it away later or sell it, or probably just donate it or something. But in the meantime, I need to break up the boredom at my house and get the schedules to where they're get them exercise and stuff like that. So I'm going to get a pool right now. We're gonna throw it outside and let's go see if we can find a pool. And I got a brand new Jordan to review, guys, so stay tuned and let's get it. Guys, now since this is temporary, we don't want to go crazy with it. We're just trying to get something that will serve its purpose for the next 30 days until we can go to the public pools and go to our friends' pools. So we have one here for $5.98. It is a 22-footer. We have one for $3.98. It's an 18-footer. We have one for $2.98. It's a 16-footer. Get the wifey some flowers. So we got some. I think I'll get some of these orange ones here. These are really nice. Grab her some of these. This is a good one right here. We'll get these. The kiddos. And Daddy's gonna get some Jordans. I guess I'm gonna go home and shop for some more. I got a few pairs of shoes coming in. Take advantage of that Nike sale, 25% off. I got some Jordan 1, some mids, Jordan 1 lows, some other surprises coming in. Should be hitting my door any day now. $1 worth of toys, and all I got some Milo's tea. If you ain't from the South, you got to find out about these Milo's. Then I got Pablo's son here again. It's Julio Escobar, right?
You gotta get her too.
Yeah, there she is. That's the one right there. We'll be setting this one up. This was $300. And it comes with a ladder, and it's 4 foot tall, 16 foot round. So stay tuned for that setup video. Let's get into these sneakers. For my sneaker people and everybody out there that depend on these deliveries, if you get medication, groceries like we do, we order everything pretty much online. Amazon, eBay. My wife runs an Etsy store. Listen, guys, breaking news. 309,000 USPS employees have signed a petition to demand high-risk pay, which they deserve. They're out there with blood, sweat, and tears, not only dealing with hail and rain and sleet and snow and hot humidity, they're also dealing with the coronavirus. They need the mask. They need the appropriate gear. They're not getting that. They're working upwards of 12 hours a day. They're going to walk off the job in the next month or two if things don't change. 293 positive confirmed USPS workers for the coronavirus, guys. Almost 300 people have tested positive. And guys, the mail system is one of the main things that has not changed and remained consistent. They're on the front lines. They are deemed essential. Guys, we got to support these people. If the mail system shuts down, guess what? Everything shuts down. You're talking no checks from your stimulus, no medication for grandma and grandpa to get their mail delivered, no deliveries for your food, your necessities. Guys, this is not getting the coverage it needs. 18 hours ago, this story broke on MSN, Fox, CS, all the CBS, ABC, all the news outlets. Check it out, guys. And for the sneaker game, now that it's online, you might as well hang that up. If the USPS walks off, no more deliveries, man. Telling you, peep game, stay woke, guys. Watch what's going on. Open up. I mean, we love sneakers, but look beyond that and look at the big picture, man. This ain't gonna get better in a couple weeks. It's gonna spike in a couple weeks. And then stay like this and then hopefully decline. Guys, real talk, facts right there, man. So the USPS are demanding high risk pay, which they deserve. And if they don't, guys, they could very well walk off the job and no more mail for you and I. Hey guys, let me shed some light on the subject, all right? So USPS workers, like I said earlier, are planning a walkout if they do not get hazard pay. 309,000 have already signed the petition for gloves, masks, which they should get, and hazard pay. 293 have tested positive for the corona, and guys, they're working upwards of over 12 hours a day, and they're not getting the pay they need, the leave they need, and the materials they need to operate. So let's pray for those first responders and those mail workers on the front line delivering these packages, because if they go out, guys, everything is going down. The USPS is the bloodline, man, of this economy right now at this point. Box reads, Jordan Retro 3 Tinker Hatfield black / cement gray, size 12. These are from my collection. I'm obviously a 10.5, 11. Like I said in the other video, I got a couple that I put up for dead stock, and then I got a couple these are one of my dead stocks. So, guys, look at these heaters, man. These were set, and I picked these up for 80 bucks. Retail's 200. I picked 3 pair of these, or 4 pair, I can't remember, but I've got 2 or 3 dead stock, and I've got a pair of each for the feet. The red ones I did on the last video. Let's get into it, guys. You got the black, gray, and white outsole, the white and black midsole air bubble, and on the insole you have the black with the gold shoe in there. Got the shoe tree in there. Got your Tinker Hatfield signature on the tongue. Slow rotation. You got the OG, what we all like, Nike Air on the back. Gotta have that. Got the elephant print. Got the Nike stitch in here. Got the suede upper. The tongue and under the eyelets, there's a gold eyelet and black eyelet. And down here you have your circle classic eyelets, but this is like a reflective material along with the tongue with the Jumpman. Setting that to the side. Here's your left. We're gonna give you a slow 360 on these bad boys. That is what I love the most about this shoe, that OG. I remember when I was a kid, I had the, in 88 and 89, I had these joints as a kid. Wish I had them now. Man, it'd be awesome. But these are a dope shoe. These are a sleeper. You were able to pick these up at certain places. I picked them up at a really good time with like 40% off, and they were on clearance. So I paid like 80 bucks for them, and now they're going for like $200 to $250. Well, about 200 in stores. But the thing is, you can't find them. People grab them up. So these are straight OG must-have in your collection. Thank you. Please hit that like and subscribe button if you're new here. I'm on the road to 1K. You guys have been helping me so much. I appreciate every one of you. Until next time, stay woke. Let's get it.